I feel that I am still in a dream. और मेरी अम्मा मुझे सुबह उठाएंगी और कहेंगी सुबह हो गई है बेटा. Because it's like a lot of people know him from Iron Man. I've seen a lot of his other works.
Yeah.
You know, one of the series, one of the shows that you did, not a lot of people have seen it. Supernatural. One of my favorite shows.
Yeah.
So I just knowing that he is playing it, I was like, something is going to go wrong. It's not इतना अच्छा तो हो नहीं सकता कि मैं अब I am playing Umru Yar and that to opposite Farhan Tahir is not. I don't know. It just didn't. And till this day, it's like it's so surreal for me.
और इसमें बहुत बड़े और भी नाम हैं. इसमें अली काज़मी है, इसमें हमजा अली अब्बासी, सनम सईद हैं, इसमें फना फ़खर हैं, इसके अंदर आपके अदनान सिद्दीकी हैं. So it's a huge cast.